Hello and welcome to my channel, From Dust to Shine. If you are new, my name is Veronica and I do cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And now, let's get to cleaning. In today's video, we're going to do some cleaning and some decorating. So, like you can see, this is what my house looked like on this day. I am very blessed to have a husband that comes home after work and still helps me around the house. Like you can see, I bought a couple of decorations and just haven't gotten around to hanging things up and finding a home for them. I bought this pineapple, but I want to spray paint it silver to match the rest of my home decor. I also have this flower vase and I also want to paint it with the same spray paint that I'm going to be using for the pineapple. So this is what a typical evening looks like at my house. There's always dishes that need to be done, things that need to be put away, and I'm just trying to stay on top of my cleaning routine. So since the pineapple and the flower vase need to be painted, I put them in the garage for now just to get them out of the way. And since the flowers are white, I found them a glass vase so that they don't get dirty. Okay, so here's a little tip if you have children. Wash and portion out fruit and vegetables in plastic containers or Ziploc bags. I've noticed that my son is more likely to reach for something that is ready for him, and I love it because I know that he is eating something healthy. Now my husband and I are going to disinfect a couple of things we got for our upcoming camping trip. Lately, I've been buying these candles from Walmart and I absolutely love them. This is the spray that I'm going to be using to spray paint my decorations. And anytime that I find Lysol, I always buy one because nowadays they are really hard to come across and I was running really low on mine. I'm going to start off by doing dishes and then I'm going to spray the sink with Lysol with bleach because my garbage disposal needed a good cleaning. While the Lysol sits for a few minutes, I helped my husband put groceries away. Then I gave the sink a deep cleaning and my husband portioned out some cheese. He used our food saver so that we could freeze what we were not going to be using. These 2 bags of cheese we bought at Costco. So out of 1 bag, my husband likes to portion out 3 bags so that we can vacuum seal them and put them in the freezer. We like to buy the combo pack of the food saver bags because we also freeze meat and we like having the different sizes available.
Ooh, when did I get so blind? I didn't see this coming. Ooh, I should have heard faith calling, trying to pull me out. But how do I get out? Yeah, how do I get out? I feel the pressure on me, how it's itching under my own skin. It's getting real hard to breathe. I gotta move on right now. I feel the pressure.
So this is what the cheese looks like once it's all vacuum sealed. As a small family, I felt like we were wasting a lot of food because it would either go bad or it would get some freezer burn if I saved it in the Ziploc bags. So I love having our food saver to keep our food fresh for way longer.
You got good manners, hunger for my skin, but I see through you, baby. I saw it from the start. You got your baggage bruising everywhere you go and everyone you love. Don't want yourself out striking back at me. Don't need your lies based on insecurity. You're like a movie, seductive like a spell. You drown your feelings and calling out for air. I see through you, baby. I saw it from the start. You got your baggage bruising everywhere you go and everyone you love.
And if you've seen one of my videos, you know that I love cleaning with glass cleaner. And that's what I'm using to clean my appliances today.
I'm the one to lose. I might be crying, but baby, so will you. You tell them stories from one point of view. You say that I'm the one who messed it up too.
So after dinner, we put up all of our chairs and stools because if it's a day that I start up the vacuum or I have to sweep or mop, it just makes it way easier if they are already up.
You got your baggage bruising everywhere you go and everyone you love.
So after like a month of having that big track as part of my living room decor, I finally had my husband help my son take it upstairs. The plan was to take it all up in one piece, but that was a fail. And then my son said that we were not welcome into his room. Now on to decor. So I bought this rug thinking that I could place my mat on top and just brighten up this space. But since I never measure anything, it was too small and I didn't like the way that it looked. Then when I asked my husband for his opinion, he said he didn't like it either. So that was a fail again. Now on to the next project. So I bought this big decoration because we've had this big empty space and I had been looking for something that would fill in that wall. We also thought about putting it above our front door, but we chose option number 1. And since the stores had been closed for a while, we had to give it a quick wipe down before we put it up. And this is what it looks like when you come into our house. So now I need your help. Tell me, what should I put above our door to fill that empty space? So I have this welcome sign, but I don't know where to put it. I also have a curtain rod and I have not put it up yet. That white piece by the big vase is for my son's bathroom refresh. He will have his own bathroom soon because my daughter is moving away to get her master's degree. So if you've seen one of my videos before, you've heard me mention that one of the first things I like to do when I get up is make my bed. So all I have left to do right now is just vacuum up my room and the bathroom. By this time it was past 8 o'clock and I still had to fold 2 loads of laundry. Like I mentioned before, I've been doing my laundry on my bed because that way I have to put it away since I need to sleep on my bed.
I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know
This is a typical evening in our household. I like to do a little bit of work every day to try to keep up with my cleaning routine, and that way I don't have to spend all weekend cleaning and I can enjoy some time with my family.
around in sunlight or in the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide.
That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for spending some of your day with me, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll see you in the next video.